White one is fusing part and this is main fabric. I'm going to fuse properly. And after fusing, you can fold the fabric like this. This is my collar inside part. I have no fabric enough, that's why I put the joint, but you don't worry and you don't put joint if you have fabric. Now I am going to make collar. You can cut according to main part. Okay. Pattern is available in the pattern file and you can cut according to pattern. Don't cut like this because my fabric is not enough, that's why I put joint in the collar lining. Okay, now I am going to stitch the collar till here to here. Okay.